Get out of here! Alright, and welcome to another video of Eck Does. Eck Does a military retirement gift box. And cutting some wood. Cutting some wood. Wood. Still cutting. Still cutting. Cutting away. Well, hey, safety first. That laser kicks on. Gotta wear some red tinted goggles. This is actually recording in 12,000 times the speed. This thing takes about, an hour and a half to carve all this, and you're seeing it at about 15 seconds. All right, that was nice. Right. So here I'm just cutting the channel so that we can actually build the box. All four sides of the box going through. You see, this project doesn't use any nails to hold the joints. Just maybe just cover up those joints with a lot of glue. There's the wife helping me out. Thanks, wife. I'm still wearing these things. Oh. Well, here we go. So here the plan was to make a subdued flag. I was going to go ahead and burn the wood, and then I was going to use some gray stains and some black stains to make a subdued flag. So I did some testing on various types of stains. I just started over again after I burned it, of course, to figure out what was the best setup to make this flag. And then I come to realize that my plan was not going to work out. Probably should have done some test pieces before I actually burned the wood. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Just do it. Lasers. Yeah, we can go ahead and skip past this part. So once that's cut, this is what it looks like when it's all finished. And it's just a matter of attaching the hinges. Good to go. I did install an arm that helps the lid open and close. I'll be installing that here in a minute. So here's that support arm. Just marking it and put it into place. The issue is after I install it, I realized that, wouldn't you know, it doesn't close. So I ended up installing it too high. So I just dropped it down a 1/4 of an inch. And it works just fine. There it goes. Get out of here! Ah! I just have to cover it with some polyurethane. I use a wipe-on polyurethane just because when I carve or do my laser projects, it seems like the wipe-on polyurethane will get into the grooves a little better. So I ended up covering a total of 3 times, and here's what it looks like when it was all finished. Alright, hey, thanks for watching. If you liked it, go ahead and hit subscribe. Thank you. Oh, I'm still wearing these.